Wes here over at Cross. So we're going to put together this quick video. The product you were asking about is the AR Fixed Mag, and as you know, in California and New York, we need to lock the magazine into the lower receiver so that it can't be removed to be compliant with the laws. There are a lot of companies doing a lot of different things. This is our safest interpretation. A lot of gray area out there. We want to stay out of it, so we're just straight, simple, and secure. The way it works is it replaces the standard magazine catch bar that's right here, and it replaces it with our own magazine catch bar that I'll show you from the package here. Inside we have a thicker catch bar, bolstered up a bit, and then we have a custom nut that goes on the opposite side that has a hole in it designed to accept one of the two screws for AR-15 or AR-10. And then we've got a plug that chases behind that so that the whole system is locked in there for good. So I'm going to give you a quick demo of the install so that you can see how easy it might be to do on the line or to have set up. It's as simple as putting this in, just maybe an extra step or two, and you're done, and this thing will be locked in. So here we go with the install. These are the parts right here. This is a standard, just 10 round PMag. California, New York compliant, unless you're hunting, in which case, 5 rounds. But so take the mag, get it in the general area, take the catch bar, slide it in here, put some pressure, and then it'll click in. Now you just hold it, go to the other side, get a little Loctite on the tip of your screw, boom, set the nut inside the hole there, drop your screw right in through that. We've got a drill set up to the right torque spec. Bam, that's on there. Now we're just going to chase it with this plug here. It's a press fit plug. Now you can press it with your finger to get it started, but you can't even get it all the way in with your finger because it's very tight. So you can either tap it with a hammer, use a little tool, tap it in there so that it depresses just past the head of the blank there. So now what you've got is a system with a magazine in here that you can top load, but you cannot remove this magazine. If you open it up, there's no way to get it out from either side. This thing is in here for good. If you want to remove it, you either have to drill this side or this side and then attack the Loctite that you've used from there. So I'm going to give you a quick demo of how difficult it is to remove it once it's installed. Most useful tool you might want to try would be a pick, but there's no way to get in here. I mean, you will be at this for days. So what you really need is a drill. We're going to go ahead and hook this drill up and see if I can get out this. So you got to drill it out. All right. That drilled out. Now maybe get a pick and try to get the plug out. And I will tell you, once that plug is in there, it is not easy. Might even need a different pick. I'm bending my pick. So that sucker is in there. Not to mention it's been Loctited, so it's going to be really hard to remove that. As you can see, it is difficult, to say the least, to remove this once it is installed. And the install is just as easy as putting a standard magazine release on there. And now you've got a fixed magazine. You can easily top load. You can run a nice precision rifle. You can get them in the stores real easily, and they're compliant on all ends.